Entonces la cámara, ¿eh?
No es cierto, está apagada.
¿No está grabando?
Sí, está programando.
Chao, mi amor.
No, ¿cómo chao? Me tienes que sacar.
Que te espero, dale, corre.
Entonces, ¿por qué se bajó el video?
¿Eh?
Entonces, ¿por qué me dices chao?
Te amo. Alright guys, okay, you all ready? This is Aprilia Tuono Part 2. Yes sir. Alright, you guys already know how I destroyed my other Tuono. Like the first day I got it, right? Well, that ain't gonna happen again. But yeah, I love the bike. I loved it. I loved the feeling, the engine, V4 1100. It was so, oh man, so, I don't know, you can just feel the raw sound and the power, and it's just something that I just never experienced in any other bike. And I loved it. I'm a RSV4 fan also, but this is a little bit higher, so it's more comfortable for the street, canyon. And yeah, I've been thinking about a V4 since I crashed mine, so I found a very good deal, and I'm essentially replacing the ZX6R. You guys know I got it not too long ago. I was gonna keep that one, but this came out and I had to get this. I had to get it. So ZX6R is gonna be gone soon, and I'm gonna take this back to Azusa, back where I crashed, and I'm gonna get that turn properly. I love this bike. Here it is. This is a 2018. The one I crashed was a 2017. This is a 2018 Aprilia Tuono V4R, and it has a little bit of damage. It's missing this fairing here. That one, it's missing here. You know, this bike new, it's like $18,000, $19,000 or $20,000. I can't afford it, so I get kind of a one that's with a little bit of damage here and there, you know, like here. So the guy low slided, and this side was damaged, the plastic here, and the engine cover. But this is a plastic, and I can just take this off, put the other one. I'll put a racing exhaust, of course, probably an SC project, something good. But that's it. That's pretty much the damage of this bike. It's here, the gas tank a little bit chipped, kind of sucks, no worries. But, and yeah, the piece here and the cover. But that's it. Fucking love this bike, man. So I just bought it right now. I haven't even taken it for a ride yet. My first ride on one of these since I crashed mine, so alright, let's go. We are ready for our first ride, and you know where we're going. Of course, up to the mountains. Yes, I've been waiting for this time. Oh man, ever since I went down in this. So let's do it. Hey, how's it going, man? Hey. Nice to meet you guys. Ready? Just got it. Alright, let's go. He's a scooter.
You guys are just lucky I can't put my arrow shield down.
Burn out! Burn out! Is there anything I can help with? Huh? Okay, you got a call? No, man. Let me ask my friends. You guys don't have any medical, no?
Huh?
Any first aid or any medical?
I don't have anything.
Okay, all right.
Okay, I'll look for it. Bye. Staying safe? You staying safe?
I'm trying.
Gotta have some fun though, right?